Welcome to The Unknown. In this video, we will explore the fascinating topic of extraterrestrial life and discuss the possibilities of life beyond Earth. The universe is vast, with billions of galaxies and trillions of stars. Could we be alone in such a vast expanse? Scientists have discovered thousands of exoplanets, some of which are in the habitable zone. Could these distant worlds harbor life? Life on Earth thrives in extreme environments. Could similar conditions exist elsewhere, allowing for the existence of extraterrestrial life? Microorganisms called extremophiles have adapted to survive in extreme conditions. Could they provide clues about the potential for life beyond Earth? Mars, our neighboring planet, has long fascinated scientists. Could it have once supported life, or even still do so today? The search for extraterrestrial intelligence, known as SETI, listens for signals from outer space. Could we one day receive a message from an alien civilization? While we have yet to find definitive evidence of extraterrestrial life, the possibilities are endless. The search continues, fueled by curiosity and the desire to unravel the mysteries of the universe.